Hello everyone, I am Momi Imtiaz Basha. I am from Nandyal. I have completed my BTech in Electronics and Communication Engineering from G. Pullareddy Engineering College in the year 2025. After completion of my graduation, I have decided to join eVision 45 days online internship program, which covers important modules like networking, virtualization, Windows administration, CCNA, and ITIL. These modules are very helpful to get a job in an IT industry. After completion of this course, I have got placed in a good reputed company, Caliber Technologies, with a good package. I really extend my heartfelt thanks to the eVision team, and I really extend my gratitude to the eVision trainers, especially Pibhushit sir, Rahul Das sir, and Ashutosh sir. The eVision syllabus is very structured so that it can be easily understood by IT and non-IT students, and eVision trainers are very experienced and skilled so that they can explain the complex concepts to the students very in an easy way and in a clear way. Mm. I really extend my heartfelt thanks to the eVision team for their support